Hey everyone! Today, I'm unboxing this gorgeous smart ring from Venlan, and honestly, I can't wait to show you what's inside. Let's open the box. Right on top, you'll find the user manual and a premium polishing cloth. Even the cloth feels really high quality, and I love that it has the Venlan logo printed on it. It's a nice little touch. Now here's the charging case. And wow, just look at it. It looks more like a luxury jewelry box than a regular charging case. It's elegant, compact, and feels super premium. All right, let's open it. Oh my goodness, wow, this ring is absolutely stunning. Look at how it sparkles. The craftsmanship is incredible, and it's covered with over 100 brilliant stones that catch the light beautifully from every angle. Once you put it on, it honestly looks just like a fine piece of jewelry. You'd never guess it's actually a smart ring. Now let's take a look at the charging case. It charges through a USB-C port, which is really convenient. Just place the ring inside and you'll see the green indicator light turn on, letting you know it's charging. Venlan also includes a magnetic charging cable. So if you don't want to carry the charging case with you, or you forget it at home, you can simply use the magnetic charger instead. It's a really thoughtful feature for traveling or charging on the go. Everything about the packaging feels clean, premium, and well-designed, from the jewelry-style charging case to the accessories included in the box. One more thing I really appreciate is that Venlan includes a polishing cloth. Since jewelry can naturally lose a bit of its shine over time with everyday wear, you can simply give the ring a quick wipe. Just like this. See the difference? It looks noticeably brighter and brings back that beautiful sparkle in just a few seconds. It's a small detail, but one that helps keep your ring looking its best. And once you pair the ring with the Venlan app, the experience is just as impressive. The interface is modern, simple to navigate, and gives you easy access to your health, data, activity tracking, and sleep insights. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed. It's beautiful enough to wear every day as jewelry, while also giving you all the smart health features you'd expect from a premium wearable. If you've been looking for a smart ring that combines fashion with functionality, I definitely think the Venlan smart ring is worth checking out.